Actually, I'm going to talk about our biotechnology to develop a solution to intervene from the genome to metabolic, to come to the solutions to intervene the long-COVID symptoms. The conclusion or take-home messages show that CR2 program is safe and effective. Only 2 weeks, you can see the change. Can quickly repair some of the damages. And then we look at the CHI, Cellular Health Index. For the long-COVID symptoms and restore health, we can see restore the health of the patients. So improvement of patients' symptoms, 63% improved because it's detailed of the questionnaire, right? Compared to significant positively correlate with the CHI, which is 66%. All the person relate to our test with their exact feel, how they feel after the intervention is 95% match. If you feel better, the data looks better. Yeah, so 95% match with a small population. And we'll also find out the older the person, the greater degree of improvement in CHI. The older is, the better improvement. And also, the smaller the CHI to begin with, the greater degree of improvement in symptoms, which is also what we want. So, in the future, we like to optimize the CHI by a larger population. The machine learning will be applied, and then for much better intervention and management of long-COVID symptoms patients. Then we like to get a much better, a large group, including, use more controls, and symptom improvement should be at the clinical sets. Right? We should get more doctors involved and really check if there's a feedback from the patients are real, or at least from the clinical settings that are more meaningful. Right? That's what we need to improve. So especially for the supplemental dosages, will be more personalized based on the CHI. That's what we plan to do. Yeah. So finally, who we are, what we do. So basically, we're a biotech company located in the Science Park in Hong Kong. We started doing this, as I mentioned at the beginning, we invented this pathway omics technology we call the BPO. Then we use that to develop and deliver innovative solutions to prevent diseases and extend the health lifespan. So our vision is to transform bioscience into personalized solutions that meet people's needs for health and longevity and has lasting marketing value. How do we do that to achieve the vision? We want to use 3 things like genotype, phenotype testing, AI algorithms, and then specific formulation nutraceuticals products to empower doctors to do precision medicine and help customers to maintain optimal health. That's what we are. What we do. Thank you.
Exceptional technology, extraordinary health. Govita Tech Limited.